Are you looking for a bread maker machine? In this video, I will show you the best bread maker machines in 2020 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget machine or the best machine out there in 2020, I'll have the best products for you. And as always, if you want more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 5, we've got the Breville BBM800XL Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is arguably the most versatile bread maker on this list thanks to its many settings. It's one of the only bread making machines that lets you choose from 4 different loaf sizes, ranging from 1 up to 2.5 pounds. And it has 13 automatic and manual settings plus 9 custom settings to store your own baked bread recipes. This automatic bread maker can make basic, whole wheat, rapid, gluten-free, crusty loaf, yeast-free, and sweet bread. And it also has programs for pizza and pasta dough, jam, and bake only. It has free crust color options, a 13-hour delay timer, and a pause button. But one of the most innovative bread making features is its collapsible kneading pedal, which minimizes the indent you often find on machine-baked bread. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker also features an automatic fruit and nut dispenser. Basically, whatever type of bread you want to make, this machine has you covered. On number 4, we've got the Cuisinart Bread Maker. Can be contained to just one type of bread, then you need an automatic bread maker model like the Cuisinart Bread Maker, which boasts 12 different pre-programmed settings, letting you make any loaf that suits your mood. This versatile bread machine can make 1, 1.5 or 2 pound loaves, but keep in mind its vertical design yields a tall, skinny shaped baked bread loaf, not necessarily the best for sandwiches. Alright, so what can the Cuisinart Bread Maker do? It has programs for white bread, French, whole wheat, ultra-fast, sweet, and gluten-free bread. There are free crust color options, and you can delay the baking cycle for up to 13 hours. Plus, the kneading paddle and bread pan are non-stick for easy cleanup, and all of that for a reasonable price. Then on number 3, we've got the Zojirushi Home Bakery Maestro. As mentioned before, high-end bread makers can be quite pricey, and while this one certainly isn't cheap, it's definitely worth it. This splurge-worthy 1-pound bread machine does it all with a wide range of bread options, custom memory settings, and even an automatic ingredient mix-in dispenser. This thoughtfully designed bread maker machine can make just about any type of bread, and we're talking multigrain, whole wheat, quick whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan, as well as bread dough, pizza dough, and pasta dough. It can even make cake or jam. Additionally, the Maestro has free memory settings that allow you to set your own knead, rise, and bake times to create a personal bread recipe. It also features an ingredient dispenser that automatically drops nuts, fruit, or other add-ins into your bread at the right time. The Home Bakery Maestro Bread Maker has a 13-hour delay timer, crust control, and express setting, and it comes with a liquid measuring cup and measuring spoon. If you believe the glowing buyer reviews, this baked bread machine may very well change your life, letting you create delicious loaves of bread that will wow your family and your friends. Then on number 2, we've got the Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker. High-end bread machines can cost several $100s, and if you only make bread once in a blue moon, you might not want to empty your wallet for one. This automatic bread maker lets you bake 1.5 or 2 pound loaves, and it has settings for white, French, quick, whole grain, and sweet bread, and a gluten-free setting, as well as extras such as jam and cake. If you're in a hurry, you can also use the express programs, which are finished in around an hour. The large digital display includes a delay timer, and you can select from free crust settings, depending on your preference. This bread machine's inner baking pan is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making for an easy cleanup. And if you want to add nuts or fruit into your creation, there's an audible baking process reminder for when to do so. According to buyer reviews, the Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker delivers impressive results, especially considering its affordable price. Many note that it's easy to use and does a great job with all types of bread. The only downside noted is that the bread making machine is a bit loud. On number 1, we've got the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. If you're ready to leave grocery store bread in the past, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker is one of the top bread machines you can buy today. Unlike many other models, this bread maker creates traditional 2-pound rectangular loaves similar to what you buy from the store, and it boasts a variety of baking bread features that let you create amazing bread with minimal effort. This machine can make white, multi-grain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan bread, and it boasts double kneading blades and dual heaters for superior cooking results. You can control the automatic bread maker settings via the large LCD screen, adjusting things like the bread type, crust control, and delay timer. The bread maker has a large glass viewing window that lets you see what's going on inside during the baking process, and a sturdy inner bread pan, and it even features a rapid setting that whips up white or whole wheat bread in 2.5 hours. This bread machine comes with a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups, and a measuring spoon, as well as a bread recipe book. While this bread maker is on the more expensive side, most people say that it makes absolutely delicious bread that rivals handmade loaves, which means that it's definitely worth your money. And that's it for the best bread making machines. All links to the products in this video will be in the description down below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.